Monsoons bring out the worst out of our skin: sticky, dull, and oily skin. Let's replenish our skin with this wonderful face pack powder from Indus Valley Organic Beauty. I'm adding the bio-organic aloe vera gel along with rose water to make a nice thick paste of the sandalwood powder. Clean your face with a wet wipe before applying the pack all over your face and neck. I'm using a flat foundation brush to apply the product generously all over my face and my neck. You can do the same. And voila, you're done. After this, don't forget to use some rose water toner on your face and apply a generous amount of aloe vera gel. Have a happy monsoon skin, you guys. Stay tuned for many more monsoon related makeup, skincare, and hair care hacks. And do not forget to see the previous videos on my YouTube and Instagram.